Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Azam and I'm the creator and founder of Azam Sharp School. I will be hosting a Building AI Application with Foundation Models workshop on July 11, 2026. In this workshop, we'll be covering how to structure responses using Generable, working with tools and creating custom tools, integrating foundation models in SwiftUI, and even building a persistent AI experience so that the responses from AI are actually stored in a database. You can reserve your own spot for $149. If you are a monthly or yearly member, then you can access this workshop completely for free. Now let's go ahead and check out some of the projects we will be covering in this workshop. Our first project will be a recipe application using foundation models. You can see over here, this is the finished product. I can go ahead and select different options over here, different ingredients, and then I can say suggest recipes. This is where the foundation models is going to start creating the recipes and also giving it a streamed response. So we don't really have to wait for the whole response. As it streams, it comes out. And now I can see all of these recipes. Some of them are already saved. That's why it says the heart. And I can also go to a particular recipe like chicken and egg scrambles, and it will give me the steps on how to create this recipe. If I like this recipe, I can heart it and it will be saved in SwiftData store. I can also see all of my recipes right here. So not only you're going to learn how to use foundation models to create the recipe and the recipe steps, you're also going to learn how to save those recipes using SwiftData. The next project that we are going to do in this workshop will show you the use case for using custom tools and creating and implementing tools. So over here, you can see that in this health application, we can say generate insights, and it is going to take some dummy data from our health kit and going to create insights for our health. You can see over here we have recent health activity highlights and even recommendations. We can also go to Assistant and ask questions regarding our health summary data. And we can also ask it that, are there any gyms nearby? And this is going to call a external tool that we have built, and it is going to get information about the gyms and display it on a map. So all of this is done using foundation model tools, and we are going to learn how to build custom tools, actually multiple custom tools. So this is really going to be an exciting project that you will learn during this workshop. I really hope that you are able to join this workshop. It is a very practical workshop. It's a live workshop. You'll be able to ask questions, and we are going to be building a lot of cool stuff. I will be providing you with a starter code as well as a final code. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the workshop.